Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2021 Toyota CHR with some great exterior features that include 17-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got gray cloth interior. This CHR also comes equipped with all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you've got Toyota Safety Sense and your cruise at the bottom. This CHR has 66,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, along with some vehicle information and a backup camera. Right below that you have your dual zone climate controls. Down at the bottom here we have our outlets. And right behind your gear shifter you have your electronic parking brake. Taking a look at the rear seats, we have more gray cloth interior along with your all-weather floor mats. The back of this CHR comes with a ton of storage space with the rear seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the rear seats easily fold down. You also have a drop-down cargo cover. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2021 Toyota CHR with some great interior features that include dual zone climate controls and all-weather floor mats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.